Semi-structured data is data that follows no fixed schema and structures. A semi-structured dataset accommodates data of flexible types and formats, but it also challenges the data processing engine. In Apache Doris 2.1, we introduce a new data type, variant, for more efficient storage and analysis of semi-structured data. Unlike what you usually do in relational databases, with variant, you don't have to predefine the columns in the table schema. This video is a hands-on guide on how to use the variant data type. First of all, let's create a database. The second step is to create a table. The test data here is a GitHub events dataset. In this table, we have three variant fields: actor, repo, and payload. Now let me show you a sample data record. As you see, actor, repo, and payload are nested fields. That's why they should be put as variant type. Now let's download GitHub event records of an hour, which is a data size of about 130,000 rows. Then we write the data to Doris by stream load. As it shows, the total is more than 139,000 rows. Next, we set describe extend variant column to true, and then describe this table. It can be seen that over 800 extra columns are generated. These dynamic sub-columns will be automatically extended at the storage layer, and they are accessible during queries. The sub-columns are stored in a column-oriented way with a high compression ratio. If you count the rows, you can see that it is the same number as what was shown during stream load ingestion. So this is about ingestion and storage. Now let's do queries. Number 1. Let's try and retrieve the top 5 repositories with the most stars. This is the result returned. Number 2. Count the number of events containing the keyword Doris. Turns out we have 3. Number 3, check the ID of the issue that has the most comments, and the repository it belongs to. And here it is. Thanks for watching. If you come across any issues, come find us on Slack.